So what had happened was I was working on the van, and I had gotten some insulation inside the driver's seatbelt. So it had actually locked up the driver's seatbelt pretty bad to where I couldn't even really use it. It was that spray foam insulation that I had shown you guys. And I had to take it to the shop. So I had woke up at 6 a.m. to take the van to the Ford dealership. And on the morning of that, I had discovered that my new home had been spray painted on. I have no idea what the spray paint said or like the intentions of it. But I just kind of got in the car, called the insurance and put in the claim, and then just kind of had to deal with it then. So the plan of attack for me was, while the van was at the dealership, I was going to keep it there for protection so it was safe and it wasn't going to get spray painted again. But I was going to just start like chipping away at trying to fix it. So yeah. Works like a charm. I worked on it for like 7 hours. This is all I got. Starting to rain. That's how the day's going. So I'm back at the van to work on the spray paint. I put in a claim to get the spray paint fixed just because, I don't know, I didn't really know what to do whenever something like this happened. So I just immediately called my insurance. You guys saw I worked for a long time trying to get that out with that butter wax. I came to this collision place because that's where my insurance recommended me. And this lady, Brenda, she gave me paint thinner, and it is now coming off so easily, it's crazy. I've been working on it for like an hour, and it's already so much better. This last little part's just kind of hard. Yeah. She's back. If someone has it happen to them, unfortunately, what I would recommend, if it's really fresh and you have like a really, really nice vehicle, I would try to stick with the butter wax. But like, my experience with the paint thinner was really good. Like, I don't feel that it damaged the van in any way. So I think that if you have some weaker paint or some more distressed paint, then maybe you I would start with the lighter and then move on to the paint thinner. But like the paint thinner, I have no fears using that in the future if I ever get into that situation. So like, I would always proceed with caution and experiment with both and kind of work up to the more aggressive solutions. But I'm definitely happy with the products that I use. I don't know the exact paint thinner that I was given, but I think most of those collision places have that at their disposal to try to use. And yeah, stay tuned.